Pro-life activist and citizen journalist David Daleiden is set to appear in court next month in California. He faces charges of contempt for releasing undercover videos allegedly showing the illegal sale of body parts in the abortion industry. Separately, the California Attorney General has charged Daleiden with 15 felony counts, saying he used fake identities, a fictitious company, and secretly recorded private conversations. Joining us now is Ken Cuccinelli, former Attorney General for the state of Virginia, and as a state senator, you sponsored a lot of pro-life legislation. Welcome back to the program.
Good to be with you.
Is this Attorney General in California trying to quash David Daleiden's free speech?
Certainly that is an element of it. They're using neutrally phrased laws just to go after a pro-life journalist effectively. You know, some people may call him an activist, but he's bringing truth to light, which is what journalists do. They're using blog posts and all the other kinds of things of modern journalism. So you're going to see major First Amendment issues in this whole case. It's going to be an important part of David Daleiden's defense, and there's no question California has singled him out for political reasons.
Is the law biased, or is it the enforcement?
It's the enforcement. The laws themselves are fairly neutrally written. So many of your viewers will live in states where they can't record a telephone call without the other person on the call knowing, for instance, in Maryland. However, these laws they're using in California are in-person recordings, and they are using laws that say those are forbidden in California, fairly neutral in concept, but you've never heard of them being applied to anybody else other than David Daleiden. And if you and I went walking the streets of San Francisco interviewing people and recording them,
right. Nobody'd care.
There'd be 1,000,000 to 1 chance
right.
we'd be prosecuted.
Right, absolutely. So what is going to happen, this injunction that we're seeing now, what's going to happen? Will he be held in contempt? He's been told he can't put these videos up and that he can't show the names of these people who are on the videos.
Right. Well, and those are two different things. You know, personal privacy is one thing. Sharing information that has been collected is quite another. And with something like 2,300 video slices, that's quite an extraordinary order to restrain, from a speech perspective, David Daleiden from sharing any of that information. I don't know that that's going to hold up as it goes up through an appellate process.
How important is this, all of these cases, to the pro-life movement?
I think it's very important. It has dominated a lot of the discussion in the life movement for the last 2 years. He is bringing to light in very rough fashion, from the other side's standpoint, the weaknesses and the immorality in the current state of our law. And that's not something the other side takes kindly to. And so they use the political tools and the prosecution tools they have available to them to suppress his message.
Thank you so much for bringing some clarity to the legal part of this issue. Ken Cuccinelli, former Attorney General for the state of Virginia.